Hello once again, friends. This is David J. Welcome to another edition of Intelligetics, where we discuss all things interesting about the data sciences that contribute to business wisdom and ethical understanding. Intelligetics is the ethical study of big data for small enterprises and individuals. Attribution for my citations and quotations is available separately. In this edition, I am going to tell you one of my secrets of success. Yes, it's true. During my interview for the last job I worked in, the vice president in my upline said, "David, I have not been able to find anybody with all of your skills." He and my manager hired me right on the spot during my interview. This was a very telling statement to me because I was finally recognized for having intentionally cultivated my skill set to serve my many clients well during my career. So what is this essential talent that I recommend you develop throughout your career? A lot of people focus on learning one language or a toolkit and how to write new applications and functions with them. I recommend that you also devote a fair portion of your attention to reading and understanding other people's technical work. You will work in enterprises with existing code bases and analytics, or you work with developers and in integrated technical environments, which is just about everywhere now in actuality. You will have to write to other code points, references, and values in other people's completed work, if it is already deployed in production or you are a part of the same development team. This is very challenging at times, but it is necessary if you are going to be effective in large and complex environments. When I was in graduate school working on dual master's degrees in telecommunications engineering management and computer science, I took a job at my university teaching the lab courses to other students in my graduate program. This has given me tremendously valuable experience that I have applied throughout my career. What the job often entailed was working individually with other students, helping them to get their code to work, debugging, troubleshooting, testing it in the lab. This gave me hands-on experience with a diverse set of solutions that different students were undertaking to solve the same case problem. And I learned a lot about how to adapt quickly to whatever they handed me when we were developing with languages such as C language, C++, Visual C#, Corn Shell, SQL, Perl, and Java. This is a highly useful talent that I recommend you cultivate deliberately for yourself. It will help you perform unit testing on your own work. It will also develop your capacity for regression and integration testing of your and other people's work before it is deployed into production. It will help you grow in recognition as a well-rounded and capable team member who can help get team developments operating successfully and on time. So, what's next? Well, this is up to you. It is now your turn. Get started and study other people's code as often as you can. Look into code repositories wherever you have legitimate ethical access to them, including in your own employer's office and code repository that you may have access to. See if you can recognize what it is supposed to do. Can you discern any defects in it? Anything you would do differently? Discuss it with the developer. Join a developer community. Ask questions about what they are doing and about your own work. Test how their code works and gain a wide background of experience with various application internals. Open an account at GitHub and dig into all the many code libraries there. Showing here on the screen is my GitHub account, and it even shows some recommended code that you can look at based on your own interests. Study one different code file daily and watch how quickly your confidence grows that you can understand most of what other people are trying to do with their applications, and notice how different authors use different methods. So in closing, that will lead us to another edition of Intelligetics Law School that would address validation, testing, and troubleshooting. Until the next time, Enjoy abundant results in all you do, and all the best of all to you in all you do. This is David J. signing off.